For years, we've been tailoring the product to the customer, to that B2B. But now it's tailoring that user interface experience to the end user. When you're doing user interface, you're doing a lot of knobs and you're doing a lot of push buttons. Everybody goes, yeah, but touchscreens are going to replace everything, right? So a touch encoder combines both worlds. You can have this one part replace everything. We have the flexibility of a display and touchscreen, and around it you have a knob that you can turn and control, that you can feel that click. Just a swipe of the screen and I'm controlling something else. Right now we're selling them in appliances. So on an oven, you can control temperature. You can control flame. What burners are on, what burners are off. You can put a timer on there. On a car, I can have one knob with a screen. I can control my exterior and interior lights. I can adjust the channel on the radio. I can adjust the source on the radio. I can change the temperature, where the venting is occurring. On a boat, I can control the actual wake if I'm pulling a skier. You can customize or tailor the number of detents that you have. We can put 0 and it could be a smooth control. It could be a heavy control if you want that big click to make sure that you know you've turned it. What makes it special is you can feel the control with the knob. You have the efficiency of a no-look with the flexibility of a display. There's so many different applications. It's all configurable. You can have a whole user interface developed, ready to go in a matter of weeks.